Hello, my name is Brian, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Fidelity Law. I recently had a client ask me what steps they should avoid taking to pay their creditors. This is a question that I almost never get asked, but it may be one of the most important questions for a person to consider. Most of us out there are honest, hardworking people who want to try and pay off our creditors. We sometimes take extraordinary steps to pay off our debts. But if you're even considering filing a bankruptcy within the next couple of years, there are a few steps that you just should not take to pay your unsecured debts. One of those things you should never do is take money out of your 401k or your IRA to pay off your creditors. I've had many clients come to me after they've already done this and told me that they thought they were making the right move because their 401k has just been losing money anyway, or it's just been earning them a very small return. So they felt that if they took that money out and used it to pay off a high interest rate debt, then they'd be better off. Well, although I do appreciate their thinking, the fact is that 401ks and IRAs and other qualified retirement accounts are exempt from a bankruptcy. That means you get to keep those assets even while discharging the credit card debt. So liquidating those retirement accounts to pay dischargeable debts is just like throwing that money out the window. You just don't do that if you think there's any chance that you may file a bankruptcy. Another step that you should never take is trading unsecured debt for secured debt. I sometimes have clients consult with me after they've gotten a second mortgage on their house or use the remaining balance on their home equity line of credit to pay off their credit cards. Again, they were thinking that the secured debt is at a lower interest rate. So it made sense for them to trade the high interest rate credit cards for the lower interest rate mortgage or HELOC. But again, those secured debts are just not dischargeable, whereas the credit cards would have been. So by making this move, the client has just ensured that they'll basically be paying off those credit cards for the next 25 to 30 years during the life of the new mortgage. It's just a bad mistake. There are many other steps to avoid if you're even considering filing a bankruptcy. So just make sure that you talk with a qualified professional prior to making choices like these. Good luck and have a great day.